Simplify hit 100,000 subscribers few days ago and I couldn't be more grateful. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and watch my videos. Couldn't have done it without your support. Now on to today's video. This is a recipe video where I am going to be making 3 different summer coolers that will help us keep our cool during these intense periods of summer heat and heat waves. These drinks are very refreshing, they'll keep us hydrated and also add a boost to our health by being a very good source of vitamins and antioxidants. Let's dive into the first drink, which is a watermelon mint cooler. This easy peasy recipe requires only 3 ingredients. Watermelon that has been chopped and de-seeded, some mint leaves and a fresh lemon or lime. To begin with, we are going to add watermelon pieces to a blender, add the mint leaves and a teaspoon of lemon juice. I am also adding a pinch of salt to balance off the sweetness from the watermelon. No additional sugar is required here. Blend everything for a few seconds. That's it guys, that's the recipe. Add some ice to the glasses and pour out the watermelon mint cooler. Top it off with some mint leaves if you like. This drink looks vibrant, tastes really refreshing with a health boost from all those vitamins and antioxidants from watermelon. Do give it a try. The second drink is Sattu sherbat. I have mentioned sattu or roasted chickpea flour in so many of my videos because I really do love sattu and I believe that it is a superfood offering so many health benefits, right from good protein content to being a good source of iron and calcium, and also, as you're about to find out in this video, sattu in the form of sherbat is an excellent summer cooler. For making sattu sherbat, you're going to require sattu, pink salt, roasted cumin powder, some chopped coriander leaves, this is optional, and a lemon or lime. Start by adding sattu powder to a big bowl. I am using 4 tablespoons sattu powder to make sherbat for 2 people. To the sattu, add a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon salt, and 2 glasses of water. Now all that needs to be done is mixing. Preferably use a whisk to dissolve any lumps of sattu in the drink. Add the juice of half a lemon or more if you like. Mix and your sattu sherbat is ready. Add some cubes of ice to the glasses. Pour out the sattu sherbat and top it off with coriander leaves or mint leaves if you like. That's sattu sherbat you guys. Very good for summers, very cooling and great for digestive issues like bloating. The third drink is Bael sherbat. Bael or woodapple is this humble looking fruit which has an amazing earthy aroma. Bael is native to India and is highly recommended during summers. Bael sherbat is an amazing summer cooler, is a great source of antioxidants and vitamin C, and is also known to relieve problems of indigestion and constipation. Bael sherbat takes a little longer to prepare, but I can assure you that it is totally worth it. For making Bael sherbat, we need bael or woodapple, powdered sugar, pink salt and roasted cumin powder. Now I know a lot of you have doubts about sugar, if to use it and how much to use. Well, the WHO recommendation for sugar is 6 teaspoons, which is roughly about 25 grams per day. As long as you stay within that limit, it is okay to add a teaspoon of sugar to your drinks like tea, coffee or sherbat. Okay, now back to the recipe. Firstly, we need to break open the bael with a heavy object and crack it open. Once it cracks, start removing the outer shell and scoop out the pulp. The seeds of woodapple look clear and gelatinous and they should be discarded or they can make the drink really bitter. Once we are done removing the seeds, we will add water to the bael pulp and mix it with our hands. If you come across any more seeds during this step, remove them. Pass the pulp through a sieve to get rid of the roughage. Now to the bael pulp, add some powdered sugar, salt and roasted cumin powder. Mix everything well. This pulp can be stored in the refrigerator for 6-7 days. Now for making the sherbat, add some ice cubes to a glass, Fill half the glass with the pre-made Bael pulp and remaining half of the glass with water. Stir it well and enjoy your glass of refreshing and cooling Bael sherbat. So those were my top 3 favorite and go-to summer coolers. Let me know in the comments if you have any other favorite summer coolers that you love having. I hope you liked today's video and will try out some of these recipes. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care until then. Bye.